So in this video, we're going to unbox another device. Again, power supply. Still working on trying to find what would work good. All right, this box. This is the first time this has happened to me. The inside box is actually popped open. So it was falling apart inside the box. Okay. So, good job. So, the boxing was half done already, let's just say. And what are we looking at this time? We are looking at the Ulanzi battery handle power pack. Now, I already have one of these, and I like it. I like it a lot. Got it right here. So, this guy, here, let's change this a little bit here. So this is what it is. So there's a bottom piece. You got this piece right here, which is the battery. It has a battery inside. It's a handle. I put a little adapter on the top. What I like about this is it's light, portable. It's a handle for your camera. I mean, you can put your camera right on here. You got a USB-A that you will connect to your device. USB-C for charging, and this does have pass-through to the best of my knowledge. I've actually had this thing plugged in to a wall outlet, to even the battery backup, the larger unit that I have that I've been testing last few days. And while it's charging this, I had a phone plugged in on the other side. I was charging the phone. So again, you got the base that you could take off. I like to have it on there because I also use it as a stand. And I get the Ulanzi, this will be a different unboxing, but I have a couple of these. I misplaced a lot, so I ordered another one. So you just got the quick release. So when you have this on the camera, you can just pop it right in. And you're ready to go. So I wanted a second one because I'm going to be traveling soon. And I wanted to be able to have two cameras. So I wanted two camera setup. So I got the main body, which has the battery inside. I will be looking for the specs when I get a chance. This is the base. I want to say this, I think this is a 10,000 milliamp battery. It's a pretty nice battery in here. For such a small, light handle. And you got your USB-A to USB-C cable. It's a nice short cable. I wish I kept better track of my cables because this cable is perfect. So not only can you use this side to plug it in to charge the device, but when I'm going to use this with my cameras, my Mevos, I'm going to plug this on this end, and I can plug this into my Mevo. Now, my Mevo has an internal battery, can last about 3-4 hours, I believe. But with this additional battery plugged into the Mevo, yeah, that is going to be nice. And I want to make sure the Mevos are going to be completely mobile when I use them. Because if I wanted to, I want to pretty much be able to get up and walk around with this once I put the quick release. So again, this is the Ulanzi battery handle power bank. See if it's got some, yep, 10,000 milliamp. And the input output is 5 volt, 3 amps. This is the BG-3 model. So I have two now. And when I get them all set up and cameras on them, this is going to be a nice mobile setup, at least for the camera part. And I'm going to be having multiple battery packs. So these are going to be nice for the camera. I'm going to have something separate for like the router network part. Something separate for the laptops. Let's be real. Laptops nowadays last forever. The MacBook Pro is several hours on a battery, so that is going to be it. Again, this is the BG-3 Power Bank Grip. That's the name. 10,000 milliamp hours from Ulanzi. And I definitely know I like it because this is my second one. So that's going to be it for this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.